Happy Friday. We're back. Back on our shit. Hijacking dot files from people. Being a little savage. Yo, Zibby. Happy Friday. We've been on our walk grind. 10K steps a day. Now that we got our steps right, we need to get our way bar right. Because this thing down here is starting to annoy me. It's kind of dry. I like this guy's configs. And I think I'm gonna steal it.
M16 night rider, cruise for your ends on my bike rider. When you're in a party and you hear this, ravers put up your firelighter. M16 night rider, cruise for your ends like a bike rider. When you're in a party and you hear this, ravers put up your firelighter. When you're in a party and you hear this, ravers put up your firelighter. When you're in a party and you hear this.
What does that look like with the sim link? Oh.
When you're in a party,
So I want to get this way bar right, and then after I want to mess around with a PXC boot server. Yo, Nat. Salutations, brother. I want to try and maybe not a full PXC boot server, but some way to fresh install Arch with everything. I write a custom Arch install script and all that, which should be interesting. Right? Yeah. Yes. I'm trying to think if there was anything else I wanted to do. I was thinking about also doing themes for Hyperland. We'll see. Alright, let's start messing around with this. What is it? There's a good command for this. It's GG, or no, I guess it'll be GG delete big G. Boom. So it's GG all the way up, delete G, capital G. And then we can go to insert and just hijack this guy. Wait a minute. This is mine. What's going on here? GGD big G. We just do that, okay. So there's config. But we are not in that directory. We are going to be in config waybar. So thank you, Nawfall and Royan, for publishing this. God bless open source. Mocha.css. Okay, and then we'll have to do the modules directory and then style, and it'll be GG all the way up D big G. GG D big G. There we go. That's not it. Why did that not? Let's copy that. GG D big G. Delete everything. Insert. Okay, so maybe I can't. Whoa, what? Oh, that was Mocha. Okay, so GG, D, big G, just paste it. Okay, what are we copying from? Why is this not? There we go. That was black. And then we have to do make directory modules. CD modules. Oh wait, modules is a file. So let's go rm tech rf modules and then modules. Let's copy all that. And now let's see how this works. We'll do pkill waybar ampersand, run it secretly. Oh, there it is at the top. We're missing icons. What are these? Workspaces? Maybe we have to just make our own waybar because this is not working. Where did that shit just go? Right here? Oh. I like this style. Good morning, Steven. Stefan. RK61. Full reliable. I don't really love this. Maybe we'll have to keep looking. What other dependencies that we can see that it needs? Config hyperscripts brightness. Yeah, that's not. He has this whole thing rigged up to his own. Let's just kill Waybar. Yo, Mana. I know the sound is so money. Let me see. Let me pop one open. Whatever the loudest one is, I think it's blue. Yeah, blue switches. Oh shit. I was gonna say it got dark in here. See, that's nice. Maybe we'd be better off just writing it ourselves. Oh shit, I keep forgetting. I gotta set a timer on this button. Persistent workspaces. Should we do Waybar or Arch deploy? More Hyperland stuff. Yo, blunts.
365, no days off. A1, no A1.
Trying to think.
Y'all motherfuckers getting laid out.
quick setup of PXE server to load Arch using an Ethernet cable. Boot is supported only in legacy mode. Trying to think, how do I want to... It would be nice to be able to just plug it in and it'll re-image it and do a fresh install. Maybe a little bit of both, Amana. I wanna set up a PXE boot server so I can just plug in my laptop and it'll just re-image with Arch and run the install script to get, ideally, I'm assuming if you just ran all the dot files and installed the dependencies, you would end up with this exact config, which might be cool. Let's ask ChatGPT. Let's say, what would I need instead so I can just plug my PC, my laptop, into Ethernet cable and connect it to my router, and it will fresh install Arch and run install script and deploy a new Arch laptop. Right? Let's see. It is a PXE based server, DHCP server, which we have running on pfSense. The usual need a server, DHCP. Let's see this. PXE server ISO image for Arch. Ooh, netboot. Can be booted into a Linux kernel. iPXE. Such that booting from the network will always boot into Arch netboot. Alternatively, you can also chain load it from the existing PXE loader. So the goal would be, it'll pretty much automate the entire re-imaging and install.
What's good?
Yo, let's go, Codename. Welcome, brother. Let's see. PXE server ISO image. iVentoy? Ooh, is that Windows? Best stored bootable ISO images. Ooh, this might be interesting. Ventoy. do automating Arch install. What if we just do that? Automating Arch install. PXE. See, I don't really know what to look up. Let's see. What is PXE server the true? Oh. Yeah. So we want that. But this is still. I guess not virtual machines though. Virt install? No, not containers. This might be a little more intensive than I thought. Find and set mirrors. Get the dev. Let's do this. Home lab. PXE. We need a PXE server. I want to be very clear, this works insanely well. The fog server. Installation guide. On a new Ubuntu server, Fog is an open source cloning imaging solution used for managing and deploying computer systems. Follow the prompts carefully. For UEFI devices like the latitude will need to use. Oh, okay. So what if we do fog project for Arch? Which server operating system is made to install on Red Hat, RHEL, Debian, Ubuntu, and Arch? We'll probably run it on. I already have a Debian VM running.
connect with them. Connect with them, connect. With the style, long time when I connect. Make sure I got full bars when I connect. Full service or whatever disconnect. Any style I beat, I write the drop for them. Draw the style and beat it like a leg. Clout it off and clout it off to them. Slew your bumper, clout and gone again. Slew your bumper, clout and then be gone. Money for making the time I perform. Slew your bumper, clout upon the set. Five dog around any time I connect from way back when. Jump can be that man missing trend. We don't delay with them. But I can't just take it to them, take it to them. Yes we are. Take it to them, take it to them. Build big tune and take it to them. Yo selector, select it for them. Select with them and connect with them. Take it to them, take it to them, take it to them. They don't wanna see me take it to them, cause they know I said the style where they connect with them. Take it to them, take it to them. Build big tune and take it to them.
So I began with the article on PXE, the basic flow of the install is as follows. Taken from the Arch Wiki, you'll need to set up a DHCP, TFTP, and HTTP server to configure networking, load, kernel, init, PXE, Linux, finally load the root file system. Arch Wiki. Serve DHCP with DNS mask. Okay. Arch Wiki, PXE, so. Okay. So, do we want to try this on dev? Let's see. We're moving slow. Fucker. Yeah, I guess we can run it in dev. SSH dev. Beautiful. Oh, dude, honestly, I already have this on the Pi. CD torrents. Let's see, do we have our LS block? Yes, we have our Arch. This should be our G-parted image. But we'll, what is it asking to do here first? Mount, making directory, and mount Arch also. Arch Linux net boot images can be used to download the latest Arch Linux release on the fly. Upon system boot, download the image compatible with your configuration. Oh, I see. Do we want to use the Pi? We probably could use the Pi for it. Let's try it with the Pi. Let's see journal CTL. Let's clear everything out. We're gonna need some space here. Let's check what we're at. 74. We got 8 gigs to spare. What is this gonna show again? Here's our space. There we go. Let's do this. Bring up your wired network adapter and assign it an address appropriately. You can also use one of the network managers. Okay, well first we need we're getting ahead of ourselves. We need the image first. And it's wait, do we not want that one? Boot via PXE. The Arch ISO currently supports BIOS.
You started from the beginning? No.
By Pixie Core. Pixie Core is a tool to manage network booting of machines. It can be used for simple single-shot network boots or as building block of machine management infrastructure. Then try to boot another machine from the same network. By packing the whole process into a single binary that can cooperate with your network's existing DHCP server. Beautiful, you don't need to reconfigure anything else. Oh, there's a Docker image.
Give me that beat.
Do we run it as a Docker container? Probably. Updated over 4 years ago. Holy shit.
Give me that.
Passing it a kernel and a init RD and optional some extra. For example, here's how you make all machines in your network.
Yo, give me that beat.
The extra files to the booting OS. Oh. Because Pixcore needs to listen for DHCP traffic, it has to run with access to the host network stack. And Docker do it to the net host. Okay. Really? Pixie Core Quick Arch DHCP no bind. Okay, you know what? Let's just try this on the main. I'm very interested to see how this works.
Yo, give me that beat.
Pixie Core. Oh, don't show any disks. Alright, this will be interesting. So I should be able to, in theory, plug my laptop into the switch, which the PC is running on the VLAN, and it'll see it. Wait, is this gonna install it on my computer? I don't need to wipe my computer right now.
Yo, give me that beat.
Oh, beautiful. Okay, so we can run that. That's probably got to download the Arch image. Okay, so let's say using Pixie Core to install Arch over PXE. Now what? Click Arch. Really? So now that that's running, do I just connect my laptop to the network? I want to run it on the one Net gave me. Here we go. Hold on. This is DXC. Press F2 to reboot. run that CUDA. No, I want to try and get it to the boot menu. F2 now. There it goes. Alright. Holy shit, yeah, it's a 4050 RTX. Go to the boot menu. Advanced mode. Oh wait, here's boot menu. Doesn't show up. Advanced mode. Boot.
Grab the mic, flip a match, whip till you don't. Cause I rock the mic and keep the crowd hype. Grab the mic, flip a match, whip till you don't. Cause I rock the mic and keep the crowd hype. Grab the mic, flip a match, whip till you don't. Cause I rock the mic and keep the crowd hype. Grab the mic, flip a match, whip till you don't. Cause I rock the mic and keep the crowd hype. Cause I rock the mic and keep the crowd hype. Cause I rock the mic and keep the crowd hype. Cause I rock the mic and keep the crowd hype. Cause I rock the mic and keep the crowd hype. Cause I rock the mic and keep the crowd hype. Cause I rock the mic and keep the crowd hype. Moving like a speaker with my $100 sneakers. Nike black jeans, knapsack, and my people. And my people. Moving like a speaker with my. And my people. Moving like a speaker with my $100 sneakers. Nike black jeans, knapsack, and my people. Yo. And my people. Moving like a speaker with my. And my people. Grab the mic, flip a match, whip till you don't. Cause I rock the mic and keep the crowd hype.
Go to network boot. Where's network boot?
Grab the mic, flip a match, whip till you don't. Cause I rock the mic and keep the crowd hype. Keep the crowd hype. Keep the crowd hype. Keep the crowd hype. Hype. And my people. Booming like a speaker with my. And my people. Booming like a speaker with my $100 sneakers. Nike black jeans, knapsack, and my people. Yo. And my people. Booming like a speaker with my. And my people. Grab the mic, flip a match, whip till you don't. Cause I rocks the mic and keeps the crowd hype.
All of the junglers them big up. All time. See? Bad boy.
Grab the mic, keep the crowd hype. 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 Grab the mic,
Here we go,
keep the crowd hype. Grab the mic, keep the crowd hype. 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 Hype.
Network boot. There we go. Enable. PXC support. Enable.
Moving like a speaker with my $100 sneakers. Nike black
There
jeans,
we
knapsack, and my
go.
people.
Now we can go over to boot
And my
options.
people. Moving like a speaker with my. And my people. Moving like a speaker with my $100 sneakers. Nike black jeans, knapsack, and my people. Yo.
One change, I'll put network boot option or PXC boot first.
Moving like a speaker with my. And my people. Grab the mic, flip a match, whip till you don't. Cause I rock the mic and keep the crowd hype.
And then do I have to restart, you think?
Represent my peoples. Represent my
Oh, secure boot. Secure boot, not active. Save changes. The boot menu is still only showing. Okay. So what if we do that? We'll just restart the server now. Yo, Yusuf. Why is it not? Let me see if that's showing up. Oh, it's on UEFI. Was there an issue with that? Oh. We have to change to BIOS then? Oh, legacy boot. Advanced mode. Why did that not say enabled? Enabled. Save changes and exit. Oh, there it goes. That worked. We got a boot priority. There's our Pixie server. There we go. Now we got something showing up here. It looks like it's working. Waiting for link up on that one. This is pretty much the same screen.
Never mind, bring the beat back.
No DHCP response. Why is that? There it is. I'll figure that. Add static mapping.
Let me see your base face. Mask on when I'm out in the real world. Blast off in the club, no chill, girl. Blast off, let me see your base face. Blast off, let me see your base face. Mask on when I'm out in the real world. Blast off in the club, no chill, girl. Blast off, let me see your base face. Blast off, let me see your base face. Mask on when I'm out in the real world. Blast off in the club, no chill, girl. Blast off, let me see your base face. Blast off, let me see your base face. Let me see your base face. Let me see your base face.
That might be why there's no DHCP response.
Let me see your base face. Mask on when I'm out in the real world. Blast off in the club, no chill, girl. Blast off, let me see your base face. Blast off, let me see your base face. Mask on when I'm out in the real world. Blast off in the club, no chill, girl. Blast off, let me see your base face. Blast off, let me see your base face.
It should have got it. It has an IP address. What?
Mask on when I'm out in the real world. Blast off in the club, no chill, girl. Blast off, let me see your base face. Blast off, let me see your base face. Mask on
Please
when
have
I'm
to
out in the
restart.
real world. Blast off in the club, no chill,
Kill
girl.
that.
Blast off, let me see your base
do
face.
this.
Blast off, let me see your base face. Mask on when I'm out in the real world. Blast off in the club, no
Let's
chill.
try it
girl. Blast
without.
off, let me see your base face. Blast off, let me see your base face.
That. Let's go back to.
Let me see your base face.
Actually, we'll see how that works without static mappings.
In the
Or
club,
with
no chill,
static
girl.
mappings.
Let me see your base face.
Yes.
Let me see your base face. Yeah. In the club, no chill, girl. Yeah. Let me see your base face. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
keeps failing. So let's turn it on. Go to
I only seem to reach you like every other season.
and we're gonna have to do
I used to feel the future in your touch.
compatibility support.
Oh, I realized you never gave a fuck. I'm sick of playing Zelda's game. It's a final fantasy. Always jumping left to right. When I need you, I'm full
What?
of paradise.
Is there a photo I can
I
take?
fight to keep you. Make believe it's fun, but I'm more than just a number. You're playing my reality. It's my final fantasy.
I wonder why that is. I wonder if UEFI is just too much red tape. Yo, Callum. Yo, Socks. I'm trying to set up a PXE boot server for Arch. So you can just plug in an Ethernet cable, like a laptop or PC, and it'll re-image, fresh install Arch on it, which is going to be super helpful and necessary for work because I have to clear my laptop after every engagement, and it's a pain in the ass to do it manually. Oh, it says UEFI. Okay, so then it says go to boot, CSM. There's no CSM.
Better days, one time in your arms to be with you. Oh, beyond my own, be my player too. I'll be your number one in this paradise of love. It's my final fantasy.
How old is this? Pixie Core? Or actually, let's do this. GitHub PXE server for. PFSense. It's like a router, but you can host a bunch of different network services and systems on it as well. But it's mainly for well, I guess yeah. I'm tripping. It is a firewall, but you can see DHCP, DNS, and they have a bunch of other stuff you can do. WireGuard is an option. That's somewhere. That might be cool to set up. I swear WireGuard was on here at some point. So there's a dashboard.
Real ass bitch.
Yeah. Wait a minute. Back up on that shit again. Hey. Yeah. Wait a minute.
Badass bitch, bad attitude.
Oh.
Badass bitch, bad attitude.
Okay, so let's do using Pixie Merge.
Turn up the speed as we go. Switch and repeat of the flow. You feel the beat and tempo. We've got the complete control. Turn up the speed as we go. Switch and repeat of the flow.
Wasn't it just saying it's
We've got the complete control. Turn up the speed as we go. Switch and repeat of the flow. You feel the beat and tempo. We've got the complete control. Turn up the speed as we go. Switch and repeat of the flow. You feel the beat and tempo. We've got the complete control.
Oh man, this would be so money if we could get this. Oh, we could try that again. But it is PXE, we should see something come through. There we go.
Feel the beat, beat. Turn up the speed as we go. Switch and repeat of the flow. You feel the We've got the complete control. Turn up the speed as we go. Switch and repeat of the flow. You feel the beat and tempo.
The link never goes up.
Complete control. Turn up the speed as we go.
No DHCP response.
You feel the beat and tempo. We've got the complete control.
No DHCP response.
You feel the beat and tempo. We've got the complete control. Turn up the speed as we go. Switch and repeat of the flow. You feel the beat and tempo. We've got the complete control. 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 We've got the complete control.
Oh. I'm using a Docker image for my DNS. with no configuration methods. It just keeps failing. Hand the client the TFTP boot file.
Raise your hands up in the air. 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 Raise your hands up. 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 Raise your 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 raise your.
Wait, that's it. 192.166.11. Try that again. Okay, so that might work. Maybe we'll see. Let's do our table. Oh wait, shit. Why is it even? We gotta restart the laptop. So we'll see. Now that that's assigned 111, right? To 1.4. Where's that static mapping gonna show up then? Client aborted the transfer. Why is that not showing up now? That's set. Or you can use, oh shit, look at that. You can use PS sets for network boot. Huh. Isn't that slick? Let's try this. With DHCP, we have it pointing towards 0.4. frustrating. TFTP. Oh, it's trying to set something up on net 1. Why is it doing that? Why is it doing net 0 and net 1? Net 0 works great. What is net 1? Why is it? What is this other network card? Wi-Fi probably. Is point 4 gonna show up? No. So let's go back to our DHCP server. Yo, Zibby. I've got it set up right now. Pretty minimal. Anything physical is on a LAN 192.168.1. And then I have anything wireless or like IoT devices are sitting on the WAN. But I've not done much with pfSense. It's a lot faster though because I'm pointing this to AdGuard, which then AdGuard is using like look at that average processing time, 3 milliseconds. It's using an unbound Docker container on the Pi for a recursive DNS resolver, and it's extremely fast. Why is Cloudflare getting all the love? We should also make sure that test upstreams. See, why are we doing that? What if we just do that? There we go. So let's just use our unbound DNS resolver instead of 111. Yeah, that's fast. That'll play. Does AdGuard work on YouTube TV? I don't know. That's a good question. You can see it has not blocked anything. Pretty sure I still have all the stuff coming up. Yeah, this is pfSense right here. So everything points towards pfSense, which then gets forwarded to AdGuard, which then gets forwarded to Unbound. Ugh, why is this doing this? I wanted to remove any trace. Why is it doing both? And then we can see that come up on the computer. Maybe it's a command pixie pull. Oh, offering the boot. Is that what that's now showing up as? Yeah, 11. Other Ethernet. Saying sudo. What is this net one? Open sensitive fork. Oh. Love the tracks. Oh, I haven't even. I forgot. I didn't even have my headphones on. Some deep house today. Not even really deep, I guess. Kernel command line arguments. How do we do that? Enable network booting. So DHCP no bind. What? Oh, yeah, we do want that because we want the server to handle that. But it's going out on net 1 and net 0. Ooh, I wonder if it's because it's trying to. Oh, net 1 might be LAN or the WAN. Oh, it might be because KiraSec router is using, which makes sense why net 0 works for LAN and net 1 for WAN. Might be why. Even though the it might be why. ChatGPT cooked up a boot script. Opens net 0 interface, sets net 0 for DHCP. Oh, I see. Okay. Wait, it's actually network well. So let's do make directory pxe cd pxe boot.ipxe. And then we need to do. Oh yeah, it is 10. Okay. So now we could do sudo pixie core boot tac script. Oh. Completion. ZSH. Whoa, what is this? Generate the auto completion script for Pixie Core. This is in ZSH. So let's do nano count.sh chron plus x count.sh. What? Okay. IF name equals net 0, so it shouldn't look for net 1. And it still looks for net 1. What the fuck? I might have to do this from dev. Because oh man. We'll probably have to do it on this one actually. Which is actually fine. I don't mind. Install Pixie Core. App to get is old. Apt install Pixie Core. Tag get. We're online. Apt install go. Oh, here we go. Look at that one-liner. So it'll build it from source. It is doing apt install going and get cloning netboot. It's gonna build Pixie Core, move it into our binary so we can call it. Because the reason I want to do this is because I'm gonna plug this into the Xfinity router instead of pfSense. Because I think it's picking up both interfaces. might be old. What if we look up like Pixie Core NG?
Get lifted, go mad, get twisted.
Let's see that. Go install. Quick arch, no bind. And then let me grab a longer Ethernet cable and plug this into there.
If the beat sounds right and the bass feels nice, you know we're gonna go all night. Get lifted, go mad, get twisted. You don't wanna say you missed this. I'm in a dance, looking for a quick fix. You can find me chilling with the misfits. If the beat sounds right and the bass feels nice, you know we're gonna go all. Feels nice, you know we're gonna go all night. Get lifted, go mad, get twisted. You don't wanna say you missed this. I'm in a dance, looking for a quick fix. You can find me chilling with the misfits. If the beat sounds right and the bass feels nice, you know we're gonna go all.
And then instead we'll have to source. We'll just go back and do .bash rc. And now we should be able to do Pixie Core sudo Pixie Core quick arch tac dhcp tac no tac bind. Okay, so let's do this. Sudo. There we go. Quick boot. Quick arch tac dhcp no bind, because hopefully it'll hit the Xfinity router and not pull up another network interface.
Beat sounds right and the bass feels nice, you know we're gonna go all night. Get lifted, go mad, get twisted. You don't wanna say you missed this. I'm in a dance, looking for a quick fix. You can find me chilling with the misfits, or I might be sipping with the big kids. All night, all night, all night. 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 If the beat sounds right and the bass feels nice, you know we're gonna go all.
Oh, that's cheese in the boot. Oh! Oh, fuck. Wait, why does that? Oh boy. Waiting for link up on net 1. It's probably not gonna work.
Yo, AC Slater, Sinden, Jack Beats, Big
Unknown.
Flow.
No DHC response. Why is it?
And you know already. Done when I say so. Got 'em on the payroll. They'll get it in sterling, euro, US, pesos. Certified mafia, different tuxedos. Tony Bandana gang, Black Al Pacino. Yeah, boss like that. Yeah, bossed up. Yeah, boss like that. Yeah, bossed up. What's he talking about? Somebody walk him out. Listen. Yo. Yeah, bossed up. like that. Come on, I boss like that. Yeah, bossed up. Yo, what am I dealing with? Yeah, boss like that. Yeah, boss like that. Boss like that. Boss like that. Come on, I boss like that. Yeah, bossed up. Listen.
What if we unplug that?
Yo.
Now let's
Done when I say so. Got 'em on the payroll. They'll get it in sterling, euro, US, pesos. Certified
that'll
mafia.
fail.
Different tuxedos. Tony Bandana.
Net
yeah.
zero should fail.
Blackout Pacino. Yeah, boss like that. Yeah, bossed up. Yeah, boss like that. Yeah, bossed up. What's he talking about? Somebody walk him out.
That's line device E0.
Listen.
Net zero is down. Okay, so net zero is
Yeah,
Ethernet.
yeah, bossed up. Yo, air what? Care not, man, will rock you up. Come and allow it, fam. Take time, you're growing up. Stabilize your thing. Simplify your thing. Build up your line and thing. Or man will sky your thing. Boss like that. Yeah, boss like that. Yeah, boss like that. Boss
Let's
like
see
that.
A6PS.
Come on, a boss like that. Yeah, bossed up. Yo, what am I dealing with? Yeah, boss like that. Yeah, boss like that. Boss like that. Boss like that. Come on, a boss like that. Yeah, bossed up. Listen.
There's not even another
Boss like that.
report on here. What the hell is it? Reference. This is so old.
Hold on a second. Look at me. What did I say? Yo, why'd you take my sandwich on my birthday? Turn around. Yo, calm down.
Automatically attempt to boot. DHCP from self-service. Let's plug that in and then do it. Can we disable an interface? This is disable interface.
Calm down. Yo, turn the key and walk away. And go back down Route 71. what's over there? You should treat me like a human being. You never treat me right. Hold on a second. No. Stop. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Yo, turn the key and walk away. And go back down Route 71. Take the 845 to Boston. What did you say? Turn around. Don't you see that sign? No smoking. Put that cigarette out. Hey man, I'm a Kodiak fan. Look at me. Why'd you take my sandwich on my birthday? You know I'm on a diet. I need that multigrain. Get back on your flying carpet.
Boot from iPixie. How would I not have DHCP in my network? Docker container. Oh, it's a web UI. Let's see where this goes. All generated content will be placed in the default web server. Sample iPixie file. See, this is talking to DHCP. User aborted the transfer. When? I don't think that's the issue, though. Ooh, shit.
Whoa. Rough, rugged, and ready. Whoa. Wait. 1, 2 step, 1, 2 step. Whoa. Rough, rugged, and ready. Whoa. Wait. 1, 2 step, 1, 2 step. They wanna know what I'm up to. Check 1, 2 when I come through. I'm with all of my crew when I come through. Yeah, that's what it's come to. They be like,
Keep trying to link up on that one. It's not going to be able to.
on me when I come through. I'm getting everybody fucked up when I come through. Yeah, that's what it's come to.
Oh, how to skip unused devices. I have 2 nicks.
1, 2 when I come through. I'm with all of my crew when I come through. Yeah, that's what it's come to. They be like, they wanna know, they wanna know, they wanna know, they wanna know, they wanna know what I'm up to. I'm with all of my crew when I come through. Rugged and ready. One, two step, 1, 2 step. Rugged and ready.
If you're changing into iFix, you from the network to begin with and not booting from USB.
That last shot went straight to the face. Wait, oh my diggy, oh my days. Wait, do my 1, 2 step, I ain't watching no face. I'm solid on road, don't wobble or shake. Oh my diggy, oh my days. Wait, that last shot went straight to the face. Wait, oh my diggy, oh my days.
This might be really helpful.
Wait, do my 1, 2 step, I ain't watching no face. I'm solid on road, don't wobble or shake. They wanna know
Keep
what I'm
searching on the wireless
when I
card.
come through. I'm with all of my crew when I come through. Yeah, that's what it's come to. They be like, hey, come through. Shots on me when I come through. I'm getting everybody fucked up when I come through. Yeah, that's what it's come to. They wanna know what I'm up to. Check 1, 2 when I come through. I'm with all of my crew when I come through.
Okay, so the
That's what it's come to.
pseudo
They be like, they wanna
Pixie
know,
core,
they wanna know, they wanna know,
quick arch.
they wanna know, hey. I'm with all of my crew when I come through.
Wow. Go. Bend.
Rough, rugged, and ready.
That'll probably mess up again.
They wanna know what I'm up to. I'm with all of my crew when I come through. Whoa. Wait,
Yeah, net zero works great.
rugged and ready. Whoa. Wait. 1, 2 step, 1, 2 step. Whoa. Wait. Rough, rugged, and ready. Whoa. Wait. I'm with all of my crew when I come through. I'm with all of my crew when I come through.
Can I just skip that?
Man up. Hold up. To the club. Man up.
we can install it.
Drug, man, I pull up to the club. Buzzed, faded. Drug.
Let's do setup iPixie with. Oh. Bootstrapping full iPixie native menu. Oh wait, we might need
Man, I pull up to the club, buzz, faded, drug. Man, I pull up to the club, buzz, faded, drug.
Those are different ones though. Preboot execution environment. The DHCP, where to find the boot files, the boot loader, the boot config files. OS images. The native IPXC configuration allows the place of the firmware of your network interface card with iPXC chain loading. Oh. Similar goals. Oh yeah, so iPXC is ideal. Oh, a DHCP server relay. I didn't even think of that. Oh no. Well, DHCP server is enabled. We just need to have one interface. And it errors out because it's probably asking for two. It's doing something. Why is your YouTube stream suspended? Oh, music violations.